Okay, finally, after he recovered and healed his hair, we are at the second-hand screams. Okay, let's see what this hill is called. Sweet and sugar slide. Oh, look, there's a cute little guy with candy. Bro, you are so doing this one. Sounds lame, and my hair still hurts. Only because you use really, really, really hard hair gel. The girls love it. Okay, whatever. Okay, I am getting in my sled. Oh my gosh, I'm getting in my sled. I'm getting in my sled. I'm sliding. I'm sliding. Oh, that looked like it. Man, I'm okay. Oh, I think I did break my hair. I told you you could break your hair. Just get me out of here. Yeah. I'm serious, Axel, help!